Hi, welcome to this week's video. It's about getting those pearly whites really white. Brusha, brusha, brusha. Yeah, a little flashback to Greece there. But hey, listen, who doesn't want a pretty white smile? White teeth make you feel confident, they make you feel youthful, and the beauty is there are so many at-home teeth whitening products that run the gamut from a few dollars up to $100, from natural to not. And I have quite a few that I use here at the house. A lot of you ask me, how do you get your teeth white? What are you using? What's the magic bullet? And I have to tell you, there are quite a few products that I use really in tandem that all seem to work together, work well, depending on what my need is, how intense I want to get things, or if it's just a little maintenance. But like I said, there are so many great things out there, and I know that many of you are mindful of harsh chemicals. You are trying to minimize those in your life, and I am pleased to share with you that a majority of the products that I'm going to feature here today are natural products. Most of them are fluoride-free, among other things. So I will gladly walk you through all the ingredients, how they work, and all I can say is you're just going to have to put up with a lot of teeth brushing today, because I'm going to demo everything and show you what you need to do to get the maximum results. So first things first, we have to start with a whitening toothpaste. And my goodness, everywhere you look, there's a whitening toothpaste. This is totally personal preference here. I prefer fluoride-free products. That's just how I feel. I've done my research. You can look into the benefits versus the risks of fluoride and make your own decision there. But what I personally love is this product. Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste for $4.49. It's a mint flavor, and this little baby tastes like those little white Tic Tacs. Divine. I love this toothpaste. So it is a naturally friendly fluoride-free whitening toothpaste in natural sweet mint. It's formulated with ingredients like xylitol and erythritol. It has aloe, stevia, and a silica blend that cleans and whitens. It removes plaque, it freshens the breath. Hello contains no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, no dyes, no microbeads, no parabens, no SLS, no gluten, no nothing. This is a vegan product. It has never been tested on animals. Made in the United States, and like I say, this toothpaste tastes great. It is a whitening toothpaste, so this is my start basically to everything. Now, some of the next products that I'm going to show you are tooth polishes, and they require a follow-up brushing with the toothpaste. So you may have to reverse the order depending on what it is that you're doing. So when it comes to tooth polishes, there are two that I'm going to feature here. The first one is by Aprilis. It's Aprilis Cherry Teeth Whitening Powder for $13.99. This product is 100% natural and organic with no bleach or fluoride. You dampen your toothbrush, you dip the brush in the powder, and you dab off any excess. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Cherries are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, and they've added cherry extract to boost the cleaning power of this powder. It can be safely used daily to remove stains, to restore enamel, and fight tooth decay. This powder is excellent for gum health and gentle for sensitive teeth. And it foams, which is a really nice feeling, so you feel it working. It will restore your teeth to their natural white color by removing coffee, tobacco, tea, and any substances that cause yellowing. Made from organic ingredients, it is fluoride-free. It will not damage your gums and enamel. It is also free from gluten, bleach, harsh chemicals, additives, preservatives, and it is not tested on animals. After you use it, you just rinse your mouth and you brush thoroughly with your favorite toothpaste, and you can use this product daily for best results. So we move on now to the next tooth whitening powder, and I know you have seen a lot about this lately. It seems like activated charcoal has just exploded on the market, and I'm sure you've seen some pretty funny videos of people doing the activated charcoal for teeth whitening, but you know what? It works. It can be a little bit messy, but it is effective for sure. The product that I'm using is by Ecco Pure. It's 100% natural activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. It sells for $11.97. Now, if you're wondering how activated charcoal works, the pores bind with the rough parts on the teeth, usually surface stains and plaque, and it makes it easier to remove the yellowing. So in this case, same scenario. You dab your wet toothbrush into the powder, you brush your teeth here for 2 to 3 minutes. Now don't worry, your teeth are going to look a god-awful shade of blackish gray. That's normal. Activated charcoal is certainly an efficient alternative to teeth whitening strips and gels and lights and other products that are out there. This particular one, Ecco Pure, is made in the UK. Its ingredients are natural, contains clay, calcium carbonate, activated charcoal, and ginger root extract. They are not mixed with harmful chemicals or any artificial colors or flavors. There is no fluoride, no hydrogen peroxide, and it can remove coffee stains, tobacco, etc. All I can tell you is be wary of how you brush, because this stuff can spray, and before you know it, you've got little charcoal particles all over your sink, which can lead to a little cleanup after you brush. So you just have to be mindful of that. Kind of keep your face over your sink bowl and realize that some of that's going to fall out, and it'll be just a little cleanup that you have to do. You do follow up with brushing your teeth afterwards. You'll rinse thoroughly, use your favorite toothpaste. Mine is Hello, and that's how that works. This product can be used twice a day as needed for teeth whitening. So everything I've shown you thus far is a natural product. It's fluoride free. The last one on my list is a hydrogen peroxide product. Highly effective though, because as you know, hydrogen peroxide really lifts stains on teeth. What happens when you put hydrogen peroxide in your hair? Yep, bleaches it. Same concept. So this product is by Opalescence. It's called Opalescence Go. It's 15% hydrogen peroxide, mint flavored. Now, these are ready-made trays that really adapt instantly to your teeth. They fit well, it improves whitening, and it goes all the way back to the molars, ensuring that the gel comes in contact with your more posterior teeth. Also, it will ensure, because of these trays, that a maximum amount of gel will stay in contact with the teeth during whitening. They're pre-filled, they're worn right out of the package. You just place them on your teeth, you suck in, and then that allows this adhesive part to stick to your teeth. You remove the outer tray, and that's it. Opalescence Go contains PF, which is potassium nitrate, and fluoride. Potassium nitrate has been shown to help reduce sensitivity, which is the big issue with hydrogen peroxide, is you get those nasty zingers. It's really what your teeth can take in that regard. This kit comes with 10 upper and 10 lower trays. You wear them only for about 15 to 20 minutes per day, and you can do it for 5 to 10 days, and your teeth will get white, white, white. So again, a stronger product, a product that has more of the chemicals, but also produces the quickest results. Not to say that you can't get great results from the products that I've shown you here prior to this one. It's just a slower process. You have to do it more repetitively, a little more diligently, but you can get excellent results from the peroxide-free formulas as well. Just depends on what you're looking for, how white you want to go on the spectrum, and how quickly you want to get there. And that will help you determine what product is best for you. Again, these are the ones that I'm using here at home. I have a feeling you have tried some at-home teeth whitening yourself. So like I always ask and encourage, please share whatever is working for you down below, because you may offer something to a member in this community who could really benefit from that. And I think it's great. You know, sometimes when I feature products, you'll say to me, hey, wonderful stuff, but guess what? I'm using this and I'm having great results with it. And you often turn me on to products that I hadn't considered before. And I love that. So I thank you in advance for doing that, for being such a blessed community member that you are, and I'm so grateful that you're here. And I really hope that this provided some good content for you. Again, it's one of those questions that I'm asked over and over. How do you whiten your teeth? So here you go, a long overdue video on this subject matter. In your comments and suggestions, as you throw out some ideas for me, also let me know what you're looking for this fall, how I may be of help in video content. I really want to cater these videos to your needs, so I appreciate you doing that for me as well. Please, 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 please follow me on social media here, my new Facebook page. I hope you like it. I hope you're enjoying the content there, and Instagram, and we're having a great time. So I appreciate your conversation there. I so appreciate you being here on this channel. I look forward to seeing you every Thursday at 1 o'clock when I publish a new video. So gracias. Be bold, be blessed, smile big, and I'll see you next week. Bye.